Welcome to my channel guys. Ako ay magagawa ng cookies. So ito yung ating ingredients. Sugar natin 1 and 1/2 cup brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar, granulated sugar, and 4 egg, and then the margarine. If you don't have butter, margarine 200 grams. 200 grams, it means 1 cup of margarine or butter. And then first mix together margarine or sugar and egg, like that. And then 3 teaspoon of vanilla. 3 teaspoon of vanilla. And then if you have carbonate soda, 1 medium spoon. And then 1 pinch of salt and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then you need to mix together only. But first, you mix on sugar, brown and white, and butter or margarine. Mix together and also if you have chocolate chips, you put also chocolate chips. If you don't have, this is a bar chocolate, the dark chocolate. I will crack like this and I will put in the dough.
A few moments later.
Ito na, pinaghalo-halo ko na siya. Yan. Pero yung una natin talaga nitong minix ay yung butter at saka yung asukal. Tapos isunod natin yung itlog. Yan. Ayan, oh. Tapos na, sunod-sunod na lahat yung mga ingredients natin. O tingnan nyo, hindi dumidikit sa gloves gawa ng butter or margarine, o wala kayong margarine, pwede rin yung mantika gamitin. O, ayan na. So, okay na siya. Pwede na natin siya i-form na bilog-bilog para sa ating cookies. So, yun.
A few moments later.
Ito na, umpisa na natin yung ating pagbilog-bilog. Ano lang siya, maliit lang, parang yung magkasya lang doon sa palad mo. Ganyan lang ka laki, kasi lalaki pa siya pag ganyan lang, kasi pag lalapad din yan pag maluto na siya, lalapad din ang itsura niya, kaya bilog lang siya. Kasi pag dati na siyang malapad ay lalapad pa uli, kaya ganyan na lang itsura.
A few moments later.
Ayan. Tapos, atin lang siyang i-oven ng 15 minutes lang siya. 15 minutes. But, in the 15 minutes, 10 minutes I mean, check the downside. Golden brown. So, you need to put fire upside in 5 minutes only, and then done. Here is the cookies already cooked now, and I will try. So yeah, so kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please like and subscribe and hit the bell button para updated ka sa mga susunod kong video. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. I'm making chai for this and I will eat together cookies.